Hi. Finally finished. I got this last. I used 1 yard of fabric to make this. You might need even more, because this is going to be really small. So I'm going to go now. At the end, you see this is really long. If you have a long one, no, this is short. If you have a lot of long, cut it. And you're going to cut this one down. It's too long. Just cut them. Okay. Cut that off. I don't really need it. So it will look like this. Oh, you guys didn't see me cut it. Oh, I'm so sorry. Just cut it. Take it and stretch it out. So just pull on it. Okay. Now you're gonna do like you did in the beginning. Take it, stand its form, put it all together. So it'll look like this. And then take it to the back. Be really careful. Take it to the very back. Fold it and take it to. Now, really fast, take your glue and glue it. Push down. Take the inside too. Everywhere where it's like try to get up. And keep holding it just in case. Just right there. Put some over here. Okay. It looks ugly, but it's gonna be a circle, so I don't think it really does matter. So this, glue it to the back too. You can't have that hanging. Oh shoot! I just burned myself. Okay. Just glued it. Where's my side? Okay. Glued it on, and then cook something like that. That's the hard part. I need your glue. Like, gonna need a lot of glue sticks because I'm almost running out. We're in the very beginning. Very beginning. So looking for my very beginning. There it is. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in its form. So just gonna get nice and close so you can see. Put it in its form. Now you're gonna do put glue right there on it. And you're gonna put it in its form again. And hold it real tight so I can put some extra glue on some spaces, but don't let people like see it. Oh, good. So, see? It's nice and stuck right there. Nice and good. So now, what I'm gonna do, take the other, like that. Keep putting glue all around it. Everywhere. Glue. And then a lot of glue for us. Oh, lots of glue. Take it and try to cover that glue. Nice and good. Press it so no one can see it. Okay. After you glue this, I don't think you can go back. Oh my god. There we go. Better. This is really quick drying, so see, I need to put another glue on it. So keep doing the same thing over and over. There's a part where it's gonna be tricky. So just keep doing it over and over and over. So you have to put a bit of that down to that. So I'll keep doing it with you. How long is the video? Okay. Can't make it too long because then it will accept it. Just keep doing it. Okay. Gotta do it quickly. Put it on there. Hold it there for a second or two. Okay, it's nice and dry now. At the end, we'll get all of those messy glue that you can see away. So, you can see it's getting its form. It's nice, good form. It's gonna look pretty, especially if it's a braid. Okay, let's keep it going. This is really long. I'm gonna put the braid on top of me so I can pull it. I need to put another glue in. If you don't know how to put it in, I'll show you right now. Take it. Mine's really messy. Then put it in the hole. Like that. Oh, I still can't put it in. Just hold on a second. Hold on. Okay. Now I can put my glue. Take it, put it in the hole. Just leave it in there. Might fall out because it's not used. Oh, where'd it go? Put it in. Back to work. If your glue dries up, then you're gonna have to put more glue on top of that dried glue. And oh shoot. And make this nice and flat. Totally. I almost made it nice. No gaps. No gaps. Okay. Okay. You can skip some parts not to put glue, but it might be all over the place. So that's what I don't like. Some glue, 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 glue. Better all around. I'm doing this quickly. Go, go, go. Okay. Flat it out. Okay. This is a lot of work, you know. And if you're doing this, if you're gonna do this, comment down below. I can give you some hints. So, there's a problem right here. Look. You see? Oh, I like that. Look at that. I can make a lollipop out of this. That would be cute. So, the stick will be like that. You see really closely. See that right there? Right there. That'll be at the end while we take it out and all that stuff. I don't think I can edit this because it's gonna be you're not gonna see that. So just keep on going and going. And then I'll take the photo of the finishing touch and I'll put it in the edited photo. Or I'll just make another video and it'll be like 1 minute video. Yeah. And I'll see you later. Bye.